In today's edition of What's on the Porch, except for it wasn't on the porch because Christopher took it off the porch and placed it in the house. It was on my desk. I have my Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of May. Let's see what I got. Hey, howdy. Hey, y'all. Leanna here. I'm trying to crank out some videos because Memorial Day's upon us and I don't have time. I have my card. I've already added up the retail value of my box. Comes to $120, which is not too bad. This is Cyber Garden for May. They sent me another Earth Arbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask because the one I had last month looked like it had been opened. And so the top of this one is in the thing. I guess that's where it's supposed to be. It does smell good. Doesn't look like it's turned. I know a lot of people have gotten these products. Andy Does Stuff has gotten several of their products and they look like that they were not any good. Does this have an expiration date on it? I don't know. I will have to do some research and see if they have expiration dates on them. So that was something for my April box. So for my May box, we have the Power or Virtual palette, and this is from Gourmand Girls. This is X Cosmic Peaches. Ice cream exclusive. It says it's $33 and the palettes were designed by Cosmic Peaches and have the amazing Gourmand Girl formula. And this is what this looks like. I don't remember whether I was able to choose or not. Little bitty palette. It has a shade saver. I do like the color story. It's kind of grungy and I like that. I may have been able to choose this. I am loving this green right here. It is so pretty. And this is a duochrome, a multi-chrome, and that has a green shift to it. Let's swatch it, shall we? Because, oh, that is so, oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see the flip in that. Look at how pretty. It's got pink. I believe there's a little purple, there's some blue, there's some green. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Very pretty. So I'm very excited about that. And then we have a lip liner. This is the Gerard Cosmetics lip liner. This is Bel Air. And it retails for $16. And that's what the shade looks like. It's very pretty. Very creamy. So I like that. Then we have this Liquid Duochrome eyeshadow by Chantico Beauty. And it retails for $19. And it is very pretty. It is a pink. I see purple. There may be some gold in there. Let's see if you can get a live swatch. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can get the camera to pick it up. I wish you could see the pink. It is not going to show you the pinks. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I'm very excited to try that. And then we have a 3D Rose Blusher by Swarovski US. It retails for $30, and this is like the Eloise 3D blush. It's very pretty. It's all over the lid. And it is, I don't know what I thought these 3D blushes were going to be like. But it is a dried flower with the blush. And that's the color of the blush, the shade. Very pretty. Very pretty. My daughter loves roses, so I don't know if I will apparently I'm at the racetrack. I don't know if I will use that or give that to her. Or maybe we can share it. Next we have a high pigment gloss by Beauty for Certain, and this retails for $22. And this is what that looks like. It is in the shade Coral, right there. It does have a nice pigment to it. It has a little bit of a smell, not much, but that's not too bad either. I'm just loving all that pretty glittery stuff. It's shiny. Oh my goodness. Yep. I hear somebody creeping in the house. I think Christopher's home. So that's my Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of May. Cyber Garden. Very, very pretty. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching me open my box. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, did you catch any fish? Hello? 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 Hello?